Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Nokia T21. To do this you will need to get the Rar app I shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's find the files that we want to pack. So here it is. Select the file and it's right here, okay. Select your file and then click on the plus button. You'll enter archiving options. If you want, you can customize it, but it's also fine to leave it as a default, so I'm just gonna go with different name. Then click on OK when you're ready and your files should be packed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.